So welcome guys. Today I have Redmi Y1 and today I'm going to show you the 5 hidden features of Redmi Y1. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing is that when your power button is not working, so you can tap on screen twice that. So you can easily on your screen without any using pin at that's button. So if you want to on this settings, so I'm going. So firstly you have to go settings and then display, and then there is a double tap, then you can on this and off this. So if you want this, so you can on this double tap screen to back. So another thing is that you can click a screenshot of your mobile like this. This is not an option in mobile, so if you don't know how to take a screenshot in your mobile, so you can easily take this like this. You have to slide your fingers, 3 fingers on your this screen like this, and your mobile automatically take your screenshot. So that was the second thing, and the third thing is that you can easily use your portrait mode in your camera. So you have to use portrait mode, so then click on options and then click on scene, then you click on scene and there will be option of portrait. So you can easily touch on portrait and take your pictures very smoothly. And that was the third thing you don't know in your Redmi Y1. So fourth thing is that you can use your apps like that. You can easily switch your second app like this with helping of double tapping. And this is the easy way to switch your mobile like secretly. And that was the fourth thing you seen. And the fifth thing is that you can easily take a screen video in this mobile without any additional app. So there is the app inside the tools. That was the screen recording like this. You have to click on this camera and click on start, and your video is started without any lagging or hacking. So that was the fifth hidden feature of Redmi Y1. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. I am requesting you, please give all loves and likes to my on this video. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos. So thank you.